Yesterday we test rode this bike, and that gets the engine completely warmed up and hot and normal operating temperature, and then we parked it here overnight for a leak check to see what would happen, and it's really good. Yeah, let's do a little zooming in here. Here's a drip over there, and there was another one here. Right here, something back here, little bitty drip. That ain't bad. The drip point we were looking at is right here. And there is, by gosh, a drop of oil on it. You have the traditional 2 drops. So I'm still of the mind that it's coming out this side and traveling over here. But I'm also of a mind that there's not a lot to be done about it, because I don't see any oil trail back here. Let's see if I can get this thing to focus right there. I just don't see it. It's dry as a bone up under here. Let's see. This is difficult with this autofocus. I just don't see it traveling down there. You know what? Let's go up here. This is terrible. Love this. Wish there was a way to fix focus this thing. See, that's a typical leak point there, the tack drive. But I just don't see it. So if you don't see it, you can't chase it. I'm going to call it good.